Bullish Axie vastness cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $37.99 and $71.76 by 2030. Market investigators accept Axie could reach $29.55 by 2025. Bearish Axie boundlessness market cost expectation for 2023 is $6.75. Axie limitlessness presentation. Axie limitlessness is a computerized pet local area that joins the best of blockchain innovation with customary gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure true rewards. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Be that as it may, what makes Axie boundlessness special is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to possess their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axies. These Axies can be exchanged, reared, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie limitlessness? Axie limitlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be gathered from parts. The game highlights a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game cash, Axie, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with ongoing interaction. There is likewise a landmarks mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thusly based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neural Connection Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in prominence. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, mission framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Axie Vastness Basic Examination. The group behind Axie Endlessness is extremely capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for more than 2 years and has a huge local area of dynamic clients. Axie Vastness is one of the most well-known games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top DApps by day-to-day dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and numerous ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 particular body parts accessible for these Axies, including oceanic, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any mix of body parts, making them entirely alterable and habitually exceptional and extraordinary. Parts from each sort class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, intriguing, very interesting, and unbelievable. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies. Not at all like a few other blockchain-based battling and rearing games. Proprietors of Axie tokens can before long stake their tokens to get reliable payouts. Holders of Axie will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, rather than specific other stakeable resources. Axie Limitlessness Shards. Axie Vastness Shards, the biological system's own administration token, are another part. These are utilized to participate in critical administration choices and will give holders a say in how cash from the Axie People Group depository is used. Non-fungible token. Each Axie is a non-fungible token with exceptional characteristics and capacities that can be utilized in 3v3 battle. The triumphant side acquires insight focuses, which are then applied to stepping up an Axie's details or developing its substantial parts. These Axies can be crossed to make new, unique posterity that can be used or traded on the Axie market. Axie and SLP. Both Axie and SLP are Ethereum network tradable ERC20 tokens. The Axie Vastness biological system utilizes 2 essential tokens: Smooth Love Mixtures and Axie Boundlessness Shards. As the local administration badge of the stage, Axie holders partake in Axie's decentralized association and can impact how the stage creates. For instance, by deciding how the environment asset ought to be circulated or how depository cash ought to be utilized. Then again, SLP is acquired through gameplay and might be applied to the reproducing of youthful Axies. Administration. The decentralized administration model of Axie Limitlessness is expected to permit Axie partner support in some stage advancement decisions. Axie Vastness Current Cost. Axie Vastness is at present worth $8.44 USD. Axie has moved 1.92% as of now with an exchanging volume of $37,350,835. Axie Boundlessness is right now positioned 53 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $972,620,947 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Axie Endlessness to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Axie Vastness market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2023. Axie Endlessness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Axie cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $12.66. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $11.82 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $10.13. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Axie boundlessness Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $21.11. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Axie's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $16.88 and a typical exchanging cost of $18.57. Axie endlessness value forecast 2025 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $29.55 and Axie might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $27.02 and a low of $25.33 in 2025. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2026 assuming that Axie vastness effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers. The Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2026. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $37.99, with a base cost of $33.77 and a typical cost of $35.46. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2027 after some broad gauging and specialized examination. We gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $43.90 by 2027, with a base cost of $42.21 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Axie has a most extreme value worth of $46.43. Axie endlessness value expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $52.34. On the off chance that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $54.87. Neglecting to accumulate the help Axie needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $50.65. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2029 while Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $59.10 and a yearly cost close above $63.32 in 2029. Axie endlessness value forecast 2030 by 2030. Axie